We're going to make a crab timbale, and we're going to do this in 3 steps. The first step is some ripe avocados, which I've skinned and stoned, half a lemon juice, and some crème fraiche. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put it all together, blend it, and then put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And this is the top part of the timbale. Okay. Okay, when you've got a nice smooth paste, everything's incorporated into it, there's no lumps in it, it needs to go in the fridge for half an hour. Okay, this is the second part of the crab timbale. I'm going to make the gazpacho dressing. So we've got some fresh tomatoes peeled, some onions chopped, red peppers nice and thinly chopped, some cucumber, some garlic, I've got some white wine vinegar, I've got some cayenne pepper, and I've got some mayonnaise. All we do together is put it all in the same bowl. We're going to blitz it all together. Okay, you can liquidize it, you can chop it, whichever way is easier for you. I'm going to mix the mayonnaise in. Ooh. A little bit of cayenne pepper, sprinkle, and a little bit of white wine vinegar. Okay, that's it, and we're going to leave that to rest on one side until we finish the rest of the dish. Okay, this is the third part of the crab timbale. This is the crab meat preparation. So there's crab meat, fennel, which is being chopped up really small. I've got half a lemon juice and some coriander, and the last thing is the mayonnaise. So all I'm going to do is mix it all together, put it into the timbale things, and I'll show you as we go along. So, crab meat first. Try not to bash it about too much. And the fennel. Bit of lemon juice. And then the coriander. Okay, so we're just mixing this together, lightly tossed. Then we add the mayonnaise. The mayonnaise will act as a bind, so it will bind it all together, just make it stick together in the mould. I'm just equally pouring it in. There's enough here for maybe 3 or 4, but I'll do 3 big nice ones. Now when you're doing this, you might think it looks a lot as it's nearly to the top. But you get your pusher down and squeeze it down. Okay. Squeeze it down. Okay. The second part now is our avocado mix. So we're going to spoon that on. Okay. And we're going to leave that back in the fridge for about half an hour. Okay. Top it right to the top. Into the fridge. Okay, this is the finished article. This is your crab timbale with gazpacho dressing. There we go. Enjoy.